times we find that the ready-made dresses have a very low slit, and especially they are tight in the hip portion, so it is quite awkward to wear it. So let us see how to alter these kind of dresses. Hello friends, welcome to Shallo's Artistry. The actual slit length is 26 inches, and generally we mark the waistline around 13 to 13.5 inches, and from there if you reduce 2 to 3 inches it is high slit, and we are going to make a mid slit which could be around 19 to 20 inches. So from 26 we are going to reduce it to 20 inches. So in the center we are going to remove all the stitches that were already put. So after removing the stitches, you can see that this is the old length and this is how much we have reduced. So we are going to mark a new slit length here, and we are going to stitch it this way. The first thing we are going to do is join the gaps in between the waist length and the new slit length, and once this portion is closed, we have to remove this portion and turn it upside down. Here we have to carefully fold the remaining portions and stitch it from where we have left. So previously this is where it was already stitched. From here we are going to fold it slowly and then make our stitch. Stitching this portion is going to be a little tricky because once this was your hip portion, so you cannot find a straight line here. Instead you will be having a little bit of curve or a slant. So go very slowly, stitch it slowly and carefully. Take your own time. And another reason why this portion is quite tricky is because in ready-made dresses there won't be much space left for this folding. The amount of dress left for the folding portion will be very less compared to the dresses that are given for measurement and stitching properly. I'm not going to stitch the entire portion of the slit. Instead, I'm going to start from where the stitch has ended and then only going to cover the portion which now I have opened and closed. So now it is all completely covered with stitches which were already there and which I have put it new. So this is how I have completed the slit, and as you can see, it looks neat and perfect. This is how you can alter a tight fitting low slit dress into a medium slit dress, so that the tight areas are now removed and you can wear this dress comfortably. If you're facing such low slit problems, you can alter it this way. And if you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends and family. And if you are interested in DIY crafts, art out of waste, gardening and upcycling old fabric, do give it a try and check out our channel.